Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, in this video we will talk about classification of living things part 2. Especially we will talk about Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, and Kingdom Fungi.
Classification of living things. Firstly, it's found by Robert H. Whittaker. He divided the living things in the world become 5 kingdoms. They are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. The first kingdom is Kingdom Monera. The characteristics of Kingdom Monera are unicellular or have only one cell, microscopic, prokaryote. It means that they don't possess a nuclear envelope. The organisms are bacteria, cyanobacteria or blue-green algae, and spirochetes. They make their nutrition by absorption of food through the cell wall, chemosynthesis and photosynthesis. The example is bacteria. There are 2 kinds of bacteria, good bacteria and bad bacteria. The example of the bad bacteria are Salmonella typhosa. It can cause typhoid disease. The second is Clostridium tetani. It can cause tetanus disease. And the last is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It can cause TBC disease. And the good bacteria is Escherichia coli. It can help to decompose food inside of large intestine. The characteristics of Kingdom Protista are known as the dustbin kingdom. Generally, it is unicellular. Eukaryote, it means the nucleus is covered with nuclear envelope. They get their nutrition by absorption, ingestion, and photosynthesis. The members of Protista kingdom are protozoa, slime molds, and unicellular algae. Protozoa is animal like protist. Slime mold is fungi like protist, and unicellular algae is plant like protist.
Kingdom Protista sit like plant if they have chlorophyll and can do photosynthesis, and Protista sit like animal because they have locomotion structure. Most Protista are live in aquatic. The members such as diatoms, alga, euglena, and the member of Protozoa are amoeba, paramecium, and plasmodium.
Based on the locomotion, Protozoa is divided become 4 groups. They are Rhizopoda, Flagellata, Ciliata, and Sporozoa. Rhizopoda. One of the examples of Rhizopoda is amoeba. The Rhizopoda move using pseudopodia. As you can see in here, they use pseudopodia to move. The next group is Flagellata. The example of Flagellata is Trypanosoma. They equipped with flagella, and this is the flagella. Ciliata. The example of Ciliata is Paramecium. They move using cilia, and this is the cilia. The last type is Sporozoa. The example of Sporozoa is Plasmodium vivax. It can cause malaria disease. Sporozoa doesn't have any specific moving mechanisms. The second member of Kingdom Protista is slime molds, or fungi like protists. The example of slime molds is Dictyostelium discoideum. The last member of Kingdom Protista is unicellular algae, or plant-like protists. The example of unicellular algae are Ulva sp and Volvox sp. The next kingdom is kingdom fungi. The characteristics of kingdom fungi are eukaryote. Most are multicellular in form and some are single-celled. They live in moist environments and reproduce with spores. They don't have chlorophyll and live as saprophyte or grow and nourishes nutrients from decaying plants and animals, or parasites on animals, plants, and humans.
The structure of fungi consists of long structures called hyphae, fruiting body, and mycelium.
There are 4 types of kingdom fungi: Zygomycota, Ascomycota, Deuteromycota, and Basidiomycota. Zygomycota.
Usually we found the Zygomycota fungi at the moldy bread.
The type of fungi is, you can see in this picture, this is Rhizopus stolonifer, and the part are sporangium. This is the sporangiophore. This is the rhizoid, and this is the stolon. And the name of the fungi is Rhizopus stolonifer. The next is Ascomycota. The example of Ascomycota are Penicillium notatum and yeast fungi. Deuteromycota. The member of Deuteromycota are Fusarium and Trichophyton tonsa. The last type of fungi is Basidiomycota. The examples are Volvariella volvaceae, Auricularia polytricha or ear mushroom, and Pleuratus austriatus.
Thanks for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.